Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this picture of two parts of a circle and asked how you would create that. Well, I've already created it in a vector format. This is really easy, and you can see whenever you see a box like that, you know it's got a white background, because we can take our rectangle tool and grab our rectangle tool, draw a rectangle, and right click color, go to object and order back a page. You can see the white background in the picture. So how I would create this same thing, I did some measurements before I did this to make sure I was right. Any size circle, I draw in a hairline, and I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. That doesn't really mean anything. We're going to turn on our guidelines. Let me move these. I actually drew the exact same size circle by just a chance that I did before. So go to your rulers and get your guideline, but you need to hit this quadrant. Don't go to anything but a quadrant, and I'll show you right here. You see the edge, but we need to go the quadrant. The quadrant is the exact middle. See, there's the edge and there's a quadrant. Now take your virtual segment delete key and delete those two lines. What is happening is that the guidelines have stopped it. I've already done some measurements, and I'm going to make my line 36 points and the end caps rounded. Wow, that easy. You made that graphic. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.